Well, hello there, friends. This is the speed painting demonstration of my May 23, which was the 23rd painting in my May Flowers collection. So I'm doing this a little bit differently here. I'm decided to utilize my watercolor pencils. I have a number of brands, but what I'm using here is Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer, and I'm using the Derwent Inktense and Neocolors water-soluble wax pastels. So I've decided to go with that pre-planned palette that I've been kind of shifted onto. And the colors that I'm using here, you can see at the top from left to right are pale, I think, rose madder, and that's Albrecht, that's the Faber-Castell watercolor pencil, and the one next to it's called Pale Geranium, and that's also Faber-Castell watercolor pencil, the Albrecht Dürer brand. And then next to that is an Derwent Inktense in mustard, and then Neocolors 2 in moss green and Neocolors 2 in turquoise green, which it doesn't look green in this painting, but it's kind of towards the blue, but it's real pretty. And then the next blue is Derwent Inktense Peacock Blue, and then the last color is dark chocolate Derwent Inktense. So it's kind of fun. I like to utilize my watercolor pencils and Neocolor to water soluble wax pastels because it's well, they're beautiful, number one, and wonderful to work with, but it's really fun to like do the drawing and then come in and hit it with water and just see everything explode. So I have quite the collection of art supplies, and these are some of my favorite. I love them. I did not get all this at once. I got it over years, and I actually got the biggest set of Derwent Inktense pencils for my birthday one year, and then I also got the big set of Neocolors 2 for another birthday. Those are kind of big purchases, but I love them and I use them all the time, and oh my gosh, I love them. I have lots of supplies, and these are some of my favorites. So yeah, that was fun, coloring it out and then hitting it with water and watching it come alive. So always working on my skills. Yeah, I was just trying to develop some contrast here, and there just comes a point where it's like, you know what, I'm tired of fighting with this. I screwed up the tablecloth, and I'm not quite getting the definition I want in that flower. And yeah, so then I just decide, you know what, I'm going to paint another floral tomorrow. I don't have to be perfect, because guess what? I forget who's the famous artist that said this, but he said, don't worry about being perfect. You'll never attain it. No. So there's my finished product, and here's a little mock-up of it for sale now on eBay. And yeah, this is digitized and digitally enhanced. And hey, thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. All those things you do. Bye.